Emotep GMP Training Academy presents Line Clearance. What is line? A line may be any room, area or a place in a pharmaceutical industry where dispensing, manufacturing or packaging activity is performed. All the equipment or components which are online or inline are checked critically during line clearance. What is clearance? Clearance is a sort of certificate for line, which is provided by the production officer and then by the QA officer to state that line is ready for performing activity. Clearance approval allows the operators to start the activity in respected area. Before taking the clearance certificate of the line is cleared, cleaned or washed depending on the requirements. Line clearance is a process which provides a high degree of confidence or assurance that the said line or area is free from any unwanted residue or left over of previous processings before proceeding for next process. Quality assurance has to provide line clearance approval before the start of any activity, whether it is batch-to-batch changeover or product-to-product changeover. It is a structured procedure for ensuring that the equipment and work area are free of previous products, documents and materials from the previous process that are not required for the next scheduled process, and that the equipment is clean and ready for the next scheduled process. Line clearance is a documented act of conducting any necessary removal of product and material from manufacturing line to prepare the line for the next production. When line clearance is required. Line clearance is required during product-to-product changeover. Line clearance is required during batch-to-batch changeover of the same product. Line clearance is required at the end of shift. Line clearance aiming to ensure that no traces of previous product inside the module and to ensure that correct materials brought for processing, packaging. Line clearance is required to avoid mix-up and cross-contamination from one product to other or from one batch to other. Contamination. The undesired introduction of impurities of a microbiological nature, quantity and type of microorganisms, pyrogen, or of foreign particle matter into or onto a raw material, intermediate, active substance or drug product during production, sampling, packaging or repackaging, storage or transport with the potential to adversely impact product quality. Cross-contamination. Contamination of starting material, intermediate product, or finished product with another starting materials or product during production. Mix-up. Mix of different items, not necessarily contaminated. As an unplanned combination of various compounds or a mistake brought about wrongly identifying one material for another. Causes of mix-ups. No ID code on material or product. Inadequate training of personnel. Failure of processing equipment. Inadequate control or procedure. Handling of rejection. Improper fixing of labels. Reprocessing. 3 C's of line clearance. 1 Clearing. 2 Cleaning. 3 Checking. 1 Clearing. The clearing is the first C of the line clearance and it consists of clearing of the line. In this stage, all the previous product leftovers paying a great attention to line predefined blind points. Line predefined blind points. It is predefined areas or points that is hidden, hardly to reach, but expected to contain previously used material from the previous batch or product. As a best practice, it would be defined in room, or area layout and this layout to be fixed in room, or area clear accessible location. For example, labels, polythene bags, unit cartons are removed from the line or blind points. 2 Cleaning. Clearing of the line is second C of the line clearance. After completion of one operation and before the start of the next operation, first we clear the line and then the cleaning of the line is performed. All the equipment or components which are online or inline are cleaned properly. Cleaning is usually of 3 types which are given as following. Type A cleaning, minor cleaning. Type B cleaning, major cleaning. Type C cleaning, end of shift cleaning. Type A cleaning, minor cleaning. It is a short cleaning activity, in which cleaning, washing of equipment or area is not required, just the area is cleared and equipment are cleaned from outside with lint-free cloth. Type A, cleaning, minor cleaning, is performed during the following cases. A. Between batches of same product. B. Same product but strength is changed in ascending order, mean from lower strength to higher strength. C. Minor preventive maintenance in which parts which are in direct contact with the product are not exposed. 2. Type B, cleaning, major cleaning. It is a long activity and all the equipment and area is washed during Type B cleaning. All the equipment are washed and cleaned and may be sampled as per its relevant cleaning standard procedure. Type B cleaning, major cleaning, is performed during following cases. A. During product changeover. B. During same product but strength is changed in descending order, mean from higher potency to lower potency. C. Same product but color is changed. D. Same product but the flavor is changed. E. Major preventive maintenance. F. When area is used after expiration of cleaning validation time of equipment. 3. Type C, cleaning. It is the general cleaning which is performed at the end of the shift and where the work is to be started again on the next day. In this type of cleaning, all the materials from line are properly closed or stored in containers or polythene bags. Any component or material is not left exposed. The 3 C's of line clearance. 3. Checking. Checking of the line is third C of line clearance. After clearing and cleaning, checking of the line is done. The area supervisor checks the line thoroughly for any deficiencies, then he calls the production officer and the production officer checks the parameters of the line to be cleared. He checks the area, equipment and then the product which is to be started or processed. After checking by the production officer, a request is sent to the quality assurance officer for checking of the line. Quality assurance officer checks following. A. Cleaning of doors, walls and ceiling. B. Cleaning of windows and HVAC ducts. C. Checking of equipment. D. Surface below the equipment should be checked for the previous product leftovers. E. Calibration status of weighing balance. F. Temperature and humidity of the area. G. Differential pressure of the area. After ensuring all the requirements of the area and equipment, the product to be processed is checked for its general parameters. Recap. Line clearance is a procedure done during product-to-product changeover, batch-to-batch changeover of the same product, or at the end of shift to confirm that the line, or area is 1. Clear. 2. Clean, including minor, major, end-of-shift cleaning. 3. Checked, from production operator, supervisor, production officer, then QA. Line clearance is very important to prevent any mix-up. Imhotep GMP Training Academy thanks you for completing the training on line clearance. Imhotep GMP Training Academy. Quality makes a difference.